This video is just going to be an introduction to the video coming up next Saturday. I'll be teaching you guys how to make realistic skin drawing like this one. It's going to be an in-depth on things you need to know to get a realistic skin texture, and I strongly believe watching that video will enlighten you on what to do to get a realistic skin texture. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss that video when it comes up. So see you guys next Saturday.